So I'm at my buddy's house, helping him work on his clocks, and he hands me a weight, and he's like, "Mark, don't touch the weight. You gotta hold it by the hook." I'm like, "Why?" "Because I polished it up, and you'll get your fingerprints on it." So I made him take some of this Renaissance wax that I bought from Just Mike Advice, and you could get this on Amazon for $28 to include shipping, and I paid $35 to include shipping. But it says right here on here, apply sparingly with a soft cloth and buff gently, dries hard instantly, resists spillage, does not show finger marks. So now I could touch this thing all I want. But we had this movement right here that we put together, purchase a clock. The strike side wasn't working, and it happened to be the governor fan, this little brass tab that the governor band goes into right here, just like on a cuckoo clock. Somehow it got bent, and there was no end shake in the governor fan, which prevented this entire train from moving. Spread that out, it has end shake, and now the train moves as it's supposed to, as you could see. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.